If you're trying to get a credit card with a high credit limit, at least $30,000 and up, then what you need to do first off is to add primary trade lines on your credit profile, your CPN, or your personal credit. If you do not have any primary trade lines, you most likely will get denied due to not having enough credit history or have enough length of credit history showing on your credit report. You can have a couple of credit cards like authorized users, but that does not mean you will get approved for a higher credit limit. Adding revolving, especially revolving primary trade lines unsecured cards, will also help you get approved for higher credit limits. You can get approved for up to $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 because of this. That is the method that you need to do to get approved for an American Express credit card. Whether you want a gold or platinum card, this is what will give you guaranteed approvals. Revolving primary trade lines are specifically for credit cards. If you get an auto primary trade line, you can still get approved for a higher limit credit card. What matters is having a high limit primary trade line reported onto your credit report. We're not talking about authorized users getting real legitimate primary trade lines only from data furnishers. I have a couple of links below on the description, and these are legitimate companies that are data furnishers. One of them is based in Arizona, and they do provide real backdated primary trade lines that will report on your CPN credit profile, your personal credit, or if you want to report it to your business. They are open accounts with very low utilization, which is a must have, especially if you are trying to boost your credit score, build your CPN, or get approvals guaranteed. They have numerous individual primary trade lines, they have package deals, and they also provide CPNs if you need it. They also help you merge a CPN with primary trade lines added. Again, if you want to get approved for an American Express credit card, you need to have revolving primary trade lines, especially unsecured, reported with at least 3% and below utilization, and they must be backdated, which I will leave the link in the description below. And also, you have to understand that primary trade lines only report, aka zombie debt, if they are data furnishers. If they are not, then they won't report. So I will leave a link in the description below for primary trade line websites that are data furnishers that have proof of posting on their website, and you can try yourself. It's risk free. Just know that there are a lot of websites that offer them, but I am giving you the method that worked for me based on my other videos showing that it did report on my credit profile and my personal credit.